Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did these witchy nails. I start with prepping my nails and applying my tips. Today I'll be using Mia Secret's Cover Almond Acrylic as our base, and I'm going to go ahead and lay the acrylic on all the nails. Now that our cover color is laid, I'm going to cap it with some clear. I like to do this because not only does it add strength, but it helps prevent me from accidentally filing into our cover and making it sort of patchy. Now I'm going to file in shape. And I'm going to be using these magnetic Model 1's cat eye gels for our set today, but before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and paint a plain black French design on all the nails. I don't really have a specific method or technique for doing French nails, I just sort of wing it. And I did make a TikTok on this set, here it is. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at kaylas.nailartistry. I post all the time, so if you're interested in checking me out, I'll link those down below. And now that our black French design is done, I'm gonna go in with the blue toned cat eye gel first. These gels are so stunning and they create such a cool effect. I paint it all over the black, and before curing, I take a small magnet tool to help create the design. And like I said, these gels are so stunning, the effect is so pretty. I really need to get some more of these. And I'm just going to be doing that for all the nails. And now I'm taking this purple gel and doing the same thing. This purple color has a very slight orange reflect to it, and it's so pretty. Going in with that for all the nails. And now I'm going to be using some of this gold Savillon nail art gel, and I'm just going to define our French smile line. Once that's done, I'm going in with Macart's rhinestone gel, putting it all over the nails, and I start to place our little gold charms. I use this little heart tool to help me curve the charms just so that they fit better on our nails and they're not poking out anywhere. This tool is super helpful for any 3D charms or any encapsulation that you're looking to do. And here I'm going to paint a second gold line. I kind of just wanted to add a little bit more. I felt they were a little plain. And once that's done, I take some gold charms and place those sort of in the center, alternating between moons and stars. And then I'm going to paint on some more gold lines. And I did like how that looked, but you really couldn't see much of the detail, so I decided to outline it with some black just to help add a little bit of definition. This part was pretty tedious, but I do like how it came out. I'm gonna add some gold dots with my dotting tool. And once I'm happy with all the nails, I'm going to top coat them all, but we're not finished yet. Now I'm taking my nail drill and I'm actually going to be drilling 2 holes in the side of my pointer nail, as well as 2 holes in the side of my ring nail. I'm going to take these little hoop nail piercings and secure those. I thought it'd be so cool to have some nail piercings, so I showed how I did one of them, but I did the rest of them off camera just because it was too difficult to try to get it in the frame. And here's the final result. I think they came out so pretty and they really do give off the perfect witchy vibe I was going for. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!